Hello, and thank you for joining me today to learn more about RadReview. This video will cover the reports in the student login in RadReview. On the home page, click on Sign In. Enter your email address and password and log in. Using the left side navigation, go to Reports. Click on the question mark next to each report name to view an explanation of that report. The Quiz Performance Report shows your performance by quiz and your total quiz performance. It shows your quiz score as well as the questions you got correct, incorrect, and skipped. You can use the filter to review a particular quiz. You can print and email this report. The skill report organizes the questions you've practiced by content category. Explore each category to review the questions you've practiced in that category. You can print and email this report. The Mastery Report shows your performance by content category and subcategory. Mastery gives you a quick visual for how you are doing in various topic areas of the exam, while Performance gives you your actual percentage score. You can use this report to determine your strengths and weaknesses for the various categories of the exam. You can print, download, and email this report. If you have any additional questions, please contact User Services at userservices@mheducation.com. Thank you for listening and have a wonderful day.